Okay, I'm going to show you a method for division called chunking, which is something you might have heard your children talking about. Basically it treats a division where you take a large number, divide it by a small number, and it treats it as if you're taking the number and you're biting chunks out of it until you've got nothing left, and then you see how many chunks you've taken away, and that's the answer. So if you take a number, say 375, and we're going to divide it by, say, 6, okay, then you have to decide, right, how many chunks do I want to take out of that to start dividing it up. And the easy chunks to go for are the ones that the easy times tables. So I would say chunks of 2, maybe 5, maybe 10, maybe 20. If you're really good, chunk of 50 or 100. You don't have to use those chunks, you can use any chunks you want, but they're just easy ones to remember because they're easy times tables. So to start with, I've got 375. Can I get 6 chunks of 100 out of 375? Well, obviously not, because that would be 600 and we just haven't got enough there. So I'm going to go for chunks of 50. Well, 5 times 6 is 30, so 5 times 60 is 300. So I write that I'm going to take away 300 there, and to record that that's 50 chunks of 6, I put in brackets over here 50 times 6. And this is my shopping list of all the chunks that I'm biting off, and I'll add them up at the end and find out how many I've got. So if I've got 375, take away 300, that leaves me with 75. So next I want to take that away, some chunks away from that. So how many chunks of 6 will I get out of that? Well, obviously if I do 10 times 6, that's 60. So if I take that away, I'm left with 15. So now I've got 15, so I've taken another big chunk, another bite out of that, which was 10 lots of 6. I've got 15 left. Well, how many chunks of 6 will I get out of that? Well, I'll get another 2. So that's 2 times 6. And I'm going to take away 2 times 6, which is 12. That leaves me with 3. I can't take any more chunks of 6 away from 3 because you can't get any 6s out of a small number like 3. So then to find my answer, I take these 3 numbers, 50, 10 and 2, and add them up. And if I've used these easy numbers, the chunks that I've bitten off should be really easy to add up. So 50 add 10 is 60, plus 2 is 62, then remainder 3.